you don't get enough sleep, I think, at night. It takes me a few
Mm,
more minutes to like wake up.
36.
36. I have my glasses on. Where'd they go? I took them off. I guess.
10 times 6 is 60.
Hmm?
6 times 9 is 54. 16,
Mhm.
72,
Mhm.
56, and
Mhm.
8.
Hey,
I'm really tired.
hey, when you're sleepy, you have to really think about things.
I know. But I
Um,
can't sleep there the day.
4. I want to do the whole number 4. Come on.
Did Emma?
I'll do number 4.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay. 45, 80, 36, 81, 24, 77, 49, 48, 3, 12.
Bingo. Good. Wanted to make sure you got them all right. If you have not finished, this becomes your homework.
I'm actually just finishing up.
I know. Let's move on. You did not finish. This becomes your homework. There's almost 100 of these. This could have been our 100. This could be our 100-day activity, I guess.
No.
That would be fun.
It's not
That would
even
be fun.
100.
I wish you'd beat 100 equation problems right now.
It's not even 100.
I have one that has 100 and it's like time.
No, I'm too lazy to do
I
it.
should have done what I should have done.
Lazy? I'm energetic. I just talk.
What I should have done is
Fine.
giving you this and then giving you 100 seconds to complete as many as you could have. That could have been a good 100-day activity. Maybe I won a little bit. I'll find something and y'all can.
I remember in Miss Gonzalez's class, me and Ainsley, we were challenging each other, like to see if who could finish the most basic, all of their basic facts, and I won.
All the from 0 to 20.
This is next, right? I always forget on Mondays. I always forget. What do we do? I'm like, yeah, what do we do? Problem solving? Next.
Can we do skills instead, please?
What's our normal, what is it that we normally do first? Is it skills?
Social study. I mean, not social study. I mean, problem solving.
Problem solving we do first, right, Emma? It's problem solving and skills, or skills and problem solving?
Yeah.
It's basic facts, problem solving,
Problem
skills, and
solving.
concepts.
Page 11. Page 11. Y'all should be able to do this already. This is
That's a bouncy eraser.
page 11.
Okay, thank you.
Page 11. I put it right there. If you need it, find it so we can go over this. Page 11.
Page 11. I was late and I finished.
Y'all have page 11 so we can start. I don't see Charlie. Daniel, you have page 11? Come on.
This does not look hard at all.
You can probably answer both of these relatively quickly.
Okay.
Chapter 1, Spending Choices. Think about the last time you spent money. Maybe you bought a new toy or a book. When people spend money, they
All right. The director of a youth soccer league will print 14 copies of the league rules for coaches in the league. Each copy of the rules is 23 pages long. He uses the area model to find the total number of pages he will print. Oh, there's several ways we can do this. How do y'all want to do this? This is an area model.
I don't know what to do.
What is the product? The director of the soccer league.
I'm too lazy to do
We
this.
figure when we decompose our numbers and we break them apart into two smaller numbers, what do we have to do with these two numbers to find, I guess, our product, or not our product, our
We
total?
have to multiply them.
We could, or we can do what? So what numbers are we multiplying? I guess, are you saying multiply two numbers?
10 times 10,
Okay, what does that give us? We can do that.
100.
100.
100. Can y'all see that?
3 times 4,
Hold on. 100. Okay. What's right here? 10 times 10 again. What is that?
100.
All right. And then you got 10 times 3. What is that?
10 times 3 is 30.
30. And then you got 10 times 4.
10 times 4 is 40.
And then what do we get down here again? Oh, you can't see that. Why can't you see?
12.
10 times 4.
12.
10 times 4.
is 40.
I thought we already answered 10 times 4.
And then we got 12 down here. Now what do we do with all these numbers we have?
Add. We're gonna add them.
Add them up.
800
200
is
plus
200.
100.
And 200
100 plus
plus
100.
30 is 230. And 230 plus 40 is 70. I mean, no, 270.
No, that's 370.
And that plus 40 again is. Okay. It's not hard doing it.
Wait, Miss Hernandez?
Did I add wrong? What?
No, because look, why does your 8 look like 2 zeros?
Oh, because I didn't connect them. There.
Oh.
Jeez. Oh, there we go.
Well, that way of drawing an 8 is kind of unique.
So.
322.
Or y'all could have just counted in here. So 100, 200, 240, 280, 310, like that. Or you could have added these numbers together. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. And then down here, you add all of these together and you figure out you get 10 plus 10 plus 3 equals 23. What could you do with these two numbers to find the product?
Add them
To find the product?
or multiply?
Multiply.
Uh,
Which you would, let me do it this way. You would get the
you
same.
could have eliminated A.
You could have eliminated A, but some people would have just added all these numbers. I think that's what you get when you add all those numbers. Put my plate. Hey, Miss Gonzalez's class was with us when we did this.
It is not as easy as it seems.
Remember we did it way back when? Either way,
Paying too much money to connect with people. Then the buyer can have trouble paying the bills.
this is what I wanted y'all to see because this is how many squares in this right here. How many squares is there? Y'all know how many squares there is right
Couldn't
here.
we just multiply 23 and 14?
100?
Yeah, 100. What?
Can't we just multiply 23 and 14?
Yeah, that's what I just did right here.
But like, do we have to do the whole process?
What do you mean?
Like, do we have to do the whole area model, or can we just do the standard?
No, you could do it this way, you could do it this way, or you could do it, you can look at this picture. You know there's 100 squares in here, so that's 100, 200, and so on. There's another one on the backside, and then we can do.
Okay.
Let's flip to the backside. There's multiple ways you can do it. On the backside, Emma, if you want to try it like this, look, you can go ahead and try it like that.
Okay.
But check it with the picture to see. 9,
I did. I done it with both, the normal way.
whichever way you can do it and get the right answer. Marvin counted the pennies he had saved. He put his pennies in 18 stacks with 25 pennies in each stack. He will use the area model to find the total number of pennies he had. What is the product? So what are our two numbers here? It told us our two numbers already in here that he has. Daniel, are you gonna unmute and tell us?
Many stores also have sales.
What are our two numbers in this equation?
Times the advertising will show.
How about we do the area model?
The area model, what are our two numbers though? So,
18.
there you go. 25. So let's do our area model. Somebody tell me right here. We already have our area model set up here. Don't get this confused because it has an extra number here. We're still doing the same thing. What's 10 times 10? I need a different color.
10 times 10 is 100.
Y'all can see that one is 100. Okay. And then what's 10?
I remember on Friday, Kristen was drawing something.
Okay.
And then
Really not completing his task. What is 10 times 10?
10 times 10 is 100 again.
100. Okay.
I thought those were only one problem
What?
on problem solving.
Oh, I'm trying to zoom in to make this bigger.
And then,
There we go. Now we got 10 times 8. What is that?
there's 10 times 8 is 80.
I don't know if y'all can see that.
10
It's really-
times 5 is 50.
And then 10 times 5 is 50. And then what do we get over here?
And add.
What do we get over here again?
Oh,
80.
80. Don't forget these. And then down here, 8 times 5.
8 times 5 is
8.
40.
40.
Now we just need to add them.
Add. Okay, so 100 plus 100 is 200. That plus 50 is 250. That plus 80 is
Okay, 290 plus 280.
Oh, I need to add another 80, right? Am I doing this?
80 plus 80. 0.
Am I doing this right? Sorry.
160.
Hold on. I gotta add down here. Did I get the right answer? I did, right? Right? Is that what y'all got? Emma, are you doing it the other way? You want me to do it the other way?
Hold on. What
Yeah.
did you get?
the other way.
Oh
because
yeah, I
got,
did get
I
that.
got 430.
I got 450.
The other way. Let me do it the other way. too.
Guys, stop!
0, 4.
Ethan keeps banging on the wall,
My plate. 6.
and everyone's screaming.
3. Did you get this so far?
No, I didn't.
Hi, Mr. Hernandez, it's Miss Lowry. Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, I have to share my screen, right?
Can you enable my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Always forget that too. Did she go back into the room? Always forget to share.
Ow. Ow. Can you hear background noises?
Kinda. I hear it's like some screaming, but.
That's Ethan.
Emma, did you get this part so far, or where did you get lost?
Okay. So 5 times 8 is 40.
Uh-huh.
So I put the 0 right there. And I carried the 4. And then I multiplied 2 times 8.
Nope,
Four.
nope. That's where you went wrong. You got to multiply 5 by 8 and 1.
Huh?
Johnny Appleseed had a long day.
Oh, well, I did it 25 over 18.
Oh, you did it the other way, so that's why you're saying that. Okay, wait, let me do it that way then. Hold on, let me finish this. 25 over 18, okay. So 0, 4, 16,
Dominic is here.
20. All right, you got that?
I got 180.
What?
Hold on. So 5 times 8 is 40, so I carried the 4. And then 2 times 8 plus 4 is 12.
Hey, multiply. 8 times 2 is what? That's what you did wrong.
Oh.
That's what you did wrong. 5 and then 2. This is what you should have got next.
Wait. So 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4. That gives me 20. Oh.
You forgot to multiply. You're adding there. You got 12, so you're just, or you're adding 8 plus 2 would have been 10 plus 4 would have been 14 or something. You're just
And then I put the 0 down there.
adding plates. Yes, you put the plates. And then you
Plate.
multiply
Put the plate.
the 5
and
times 1.
Like 1 times 5, that gave me 5. Yeah, I got 250.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then that was the only mistake I got wrong.
You're good. Usually you can find it. Okay. Let's move on. Folks, that was-
Good discussion.
hopefully tomorrow y'all can do them by yourself. Do we got it? Or somebody needs more time? I don't even see Carly on here, do I? I don't. With my 20-something kids. We have it?
Yep.
Okay, I'm moving on. Questions on it?
Nope.
Skills, page 77. Why is this so zoomed in?
Feeling better, little monkey?
Hold on, guys.
Why do we gotta do so much math?
That looks hard.
This isn't a lot.
Nothing. What do y'all normally do? Y'all might not do basic facts. We do basic facts because we wait for people to get here. Not that we'll do them tomorrow, but or what do you mean so much math? There's really not that much math today. Page 77. Is everybody there? This is only the beginning, right, guys? We're kind of behind actually today. We're there? We're good? Yes, no, maybe so. Okay, I'm not gonna go back. All right. Sergio made a dot plot. This is a dot plot to show the results of the number of spins on a. What?
What page?
77. Sergio made a dot plot to show the results of the number of spins on a game spinner ranging from numbers 1 through 7. Use the data from the dot plot above to complete the frequency table showing the number of times each number was spun on the game spinner. All right. What are our numbers right here? What numbers did he count down here? What are our numbers?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, mine's going a little lower. 7. How many times did he spin the number 1?
2.
2. So we put 2 lines and then we put the number 2. All right.
Yep.
What about the next one?
5.
5. Let's put that down there.
Then we put the number 5. For 3, he did the 5
Then
too.
across and then 5. And then
And
number
5 also. And then for 4, he did 3.
what was 3? Did you already do 3?
And then for 5, he did 1.
Hold on, you're Speedy Gonzalez. Remember, I'm still half asleep, I think. How many times did you roll number 4? Thank goodness it is a refrigerator in my class. I swear it's the best investment ever. How many times did you roll number 4? Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Let's go. Somebody,
Okay, I'm done.
somebody besides Emma, how many times did you roll number 4? Spin number 4.
How many times did
3.
it spin number
Good. I hear somebody waking up.
3? And how many times did it spin number 7? 6. Which is twice the amount of 4. Which will help us on
Good
B.
job, Daniel. Number 5, he only did once. Number 6, he did 2. So 1, 6 was 2, and then 7 was 6. Sorry, my chart's all messed up. All wonky. All right. B, which number was spun twice as many times as number 4? So twice. 3 times 2 would be what? What's 3 times 2?
3 times 2 is 6.
So which number was rolled 6 times? Daniel already answered that one for us.
Yes.
Number 7?
Yes.
Bingo. Good job, Daniel. Yeah.
And then there's C.
How many times did Sergio spin the spinner according to the data? So how many times?
Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
We add all these numbers up. Let's add them up. So 2 plus 5 is 7 plus
2 plus 5 is 7. Plus
12.
5 is 12.
plus 3
Plus 3 is 15.
plus I'm gonna add these two. So plus 3 again.
Plus 9. Yeah. And then plus 6.
18 plus 6 is what?
18 plus 6 is 24. I actually counted them and I got 24.
20. Well, you got what?
I got 24.
Good. Yeah, you could have counted each dot too.
Yep. I counted each and every dot.
You get it?
Okay, now D. Sergio spun the spinner one more time. He stopped on 3. If he added the result of this spin to his dot plot, which would not be true.
So Sergio spun the spinner one more time and it stopped on 3. If he had added the result of this spin to his dot plot, which statement would not be true? We're gonna add one more to 3. So how many times did he roll number 3 now? Not 5 times. How many times did he roll it?
He rolled it 6 times, according to D.
6 times now. Okay, let's look at true or false down here. So we're looking for not true. Right.
Okay, F. The results for number 1 and number 6 were equal.
So number 1 and number 6 are equal. Is that true? Number 1 and 6 are equal.
Yeah, that's true. Get rid of F.
All right. G, the number 7 was selected 3 more times than 6. Is that true?
No, it's actually selected 4 times.
Wait, look, number 6 and number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then number 6 was selected twice. If I multiply 2 times 3, is that 6?
2 times 3 is 6.
So is that true? Number 7 was rolled 3 times more than number 6. Isn't that true?
3 times.
Yes, no, maybe so. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then there's H. Number 7 was selected as many times as number 3.
Number 7 and number 3 were selected.
That would still be true
Why is that still true, Daniel?
because it said that 1 more was added to number 3.
Because 1 more was added to number 3, so now they both have 6. So that is true. Got it right?
And then just to I'll just work out J and see if it's correct rather than just picking the answer because all the others are wrong.
Got our answer. Bingo. Is there one on the back?
I can't. Yeah, it's J.
Oh, it's the mom. Jay. Always a
So what we do next?
all right. Got this? Yes? I'm moving it. All right, you need your math journal. We're taking notes. Oh, show me. With your hands, let me see how much of y'all actually remember this. With your hands or your arms, show me what an acute angle looks like. Your hands or your arms or your fingers, show me acute angle. Good job.
That's easy.
What?
Easy.
Show me an obtuse angle.
Easy.
This right here is obtuse.
Wide.
It's open wide. Show me a right.
All right.
Easy.
It's got what makes it a right angle? What is it exactly?
It's equal on this side.
It's equal on 90. That's equal to.
It has
like
to
this.
be equal to like a square.
Has a square on the inside. Yeah. Oh, let me see if y'all know this one. Do y'all know what a straight angle is?
Oh, it's just like this.
Let me see.
It's just a line.
It's just, you know how many degrees it is?
It's
180?
180. Y'all may have this in your journal. I don't know.
Yes, we
Yeah.
do.
You don't even know what I'm gonna put up there, man. Hold on.
I know. I have it in my journal.
Let me see. Let me see what you have about angles. Let me see.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so here is no, this is length.
I did it with Miss Wallings.
No, this is symmetry.
I did it with Miss Wallings. I remember.
I know.
No, this is
I
quadrilaterals.
I want to see what you have
You
for.
like that?
Let's see.
Yeah, the first 6 weeks, and then I think it was this.
No.
Okay, yes, you're writing this. An acute angle has a measure between 0 and 90 degrees. Does that sound like you have?
Wow.
We're
Okay.
writing
In
it.
your journal then. Yes, you're writing it.
Come
Maybe we wrote it
on.
down, except it's not the same.
Look,
Yeah.
the facts I have about my triangle, my angles.
Let me see. What do you have? I don't know what y'all have.
Hold on. I'm trying to turn to the pages, but it's really hard.
Acute angle. All three angles are acute. All less than 9. Wait. Yeah, all less than 90 degrees. Right angle. One right angle. 90-degree angle.
Okay, my class for sure is writing this down because I know y'all don't have it from back when. So like Vida, Miss
Obtuse
Josh,
angle.
down.
See, look, I have the lines on.
More than 90 degrees.
Yeah, I already had that written down.
Where? Let me see. I don't remember what we wrote down. I know we've gone over this before.
Yeah, it was in my math journal. Let me get it.
Guys, I think we should just do it.
I think you should just do it.
I don't have it.
This
Hey,
is
write it down. Miss Gonzalez's class is going to be helpful for Friday's test. We have to take a
see,
little,
look, I wrote it all down.
if we take a little time writing this down, that's perfectly fine. What? Let me see. God, I should have gone to the bathroom.
She just
I'm
wants us
writing it down anyways.
She just wants us to write it, and there's nothing getting out of it.
Yeah, there's, what are you talking about? There's nothing getting out of it. Some people get out of it.
I'm trying to crack my neck. It's not working.
There's 4 parts to it. There's a straight angle. It looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. We're gonna go over this anyway, so I would take notes over this. I don't want on Friday y'all getting it wrong. I'm gonna ask you, what does an obtuse angle look like? So,
These angles are like this.
Guys, draw the lines when you're done drawing the angles in the words, or else you won't have any space.
What?
I said draw the lines in the box after you draw the pictures and the words, or else you won't have any space.
Guys, I have great news.
What?
My brother finally likes My Hero Academia.
Good.
That means I can watch it all the time. I'm only on season 2.
I'm on season 4.
Oh my gosh.
Get this down. We'll watch a video once we're done with it. A video, because I love my videos.
Yay, video.
Go over some more vocab.
No,
I won't make you write down, but we'll go over it.
I don't want to write this down.
Well, you have to, Natalie. There's no getting
There's a
out.
lot of things in life we don't want. We have a lot of things we have to do in life we don't want to do. Like today, I did not want to come to work. I was really tired.
Yeah.
But here I
Well,
am.
today I wanted to play on my tablet.
But here I am, sitting in front of the computer screen.
And I wanted to play on my Nintendo Switch.
So see, faster.
I can't play on my tablet. I can only play on my tablet for 2 days.
Okay, the faster we can get done with math and everything, maybe I can let y'all out a few minutes early because I do have to take Miss Walling's class to dismiss.
Break.
No, not break. But I'm saying the faster we can get done, the faster maybe I can let y'all off 5 minutes earlier than normal. Like 2:40, 2:30. No, we're not having a break.
Oh.
What time is our break at? There you go.
1:35 or 1:45.
1:45. If you're lucky, maybe
Yeah.
1:40. And if it's Friday, some of y'all get it at like 1:35.
Yeah, that's usually the usuals, like Anello and Emma,
Get
and
this down. 'cause
not
I'm gonna
really,
quiz y'all.
not really Daniel.
We've got plenty. I'm gonna quiz you on a little bit. So if y'all don't know, look what we're gonna do in a little bit. So,
Dun, dun, dun.
Alex.
and we're gonna go over this bad boy. Yeah, look at Natalie's face in a second. So,
Dun, dun, dun.
come on, get it done. Okay, sit there quietly and wait for the rest. 'Cause I know Charlie was getting it down. Emma's doing it again because she wants to pass her test, which I usually never have
I
problems.
haven't worn earrings in 2 years.
You were wearing them yesterday, weren't you? No, Friday.
No, I took them off because they were hurting my ears.
Sometimes they hurt mine. Like my ears, I think they kind of close, and then I put an earring back in them and they open back up.
Every time I put like plastic earrings, like I'm allergic to most earrings, like plastic ones, because they make my ears all red and
Irritated, probably.
yeah.
All right, get this down so that we can move on to our video.
My ear is like this. Can't really see it because of the hair.
Maybe we can do some sort of activity. Let me see what I can.
No, why don't we do I don't know.
Hold on, I'm gonna do something. Teacher, big teacher. I'm telling you, I would have done something with y'all.
We've done about like 100 stuff in our math binder.
For sure.
And there's probably like more than 100 pages in there.
Yeah, we don't. Why do we have a bunch of pages in our math binder when we don't even do like a majority of them?
Yeah, we do. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we actually do. We
Math,
do
we actually
every
do.
problem
Reading, we don't
solving.
do. In reading, we don't do all of them for the most part.
Yeah, but like in our concepts, we still have pages before we take it out.
Yeah.
Come on, get this down. Thumbs up when you've got it done so I know how many people I'm waiting for.
Dora.
You're already done, Natalie?
No. I still have this unicorn next to me, even though it's my little cousin's.
little cousins.
Yeah, she got it for Christmas. I have 2 cousins, and they left the Christmas stuff here.
We need to get it back soon.
They are, but they just have no point of getting it back because their grandma and grandpa, they sell whatever toys they get.
Okay, y'all finish this so we can watch our video and go.
No, I didn't finish it.
Charlie was writing it down. I know for sure. 'Cause I saw him. I want to give him some time to write it down.
My bed is always a mess.
So remember, an acute angle is like a tiny one. It's a cute angle. It's tiny, like a cute baby. They're tiny. Babies are not big. Don't tell me, oh yeah, they are. I'm talking realistic.
Oh yeah, they are.
I'm talking realistically.
No.
The big baby.
Like yes, some babies are born,
Yeah, some babies are big, kind of.
but I'm talking about like they're still small relatively compared to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on the last one. Don't
Okay, that's fine. No, that's fine. Charlie's writing it down too, so I'm doing to write it down. Today's note taking. There's really not a lot of concept. There's not even concept today really at all. So
We don't have concepts today.
like we have
Make sure to
over all of
subscribe.
this and some of this stuff,
Okay, I'm done.
pages and concept really to do
We don't have concepts today.
today or tomorrow. There's really not that much problems in concept. So, but there is a Google Slides we're going to go over.
Make sure to subscribe to Emma.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
I do. It's called Bendy the Animator.
I'll talk about that later. Not right now. You can leave the Zoom on too for Ms. Gonzalez's class.
Yeah. Yay.
I'm almost there to 100 subscribers.
I didn't really leave it on Friday.
My brother also has.
My uncle has one.
Okay, I'm done.
As a what?
A YouTube channel.
And I also have a TikTok.
Uh-huh.
brother also
Stop
has.
bringing up TikTok.
My brother also has TikTok. I do, and I did videos on there.
Did we get it? Charlie, where are you at, Charlie? You don't
I'll
have
be
to rush.
out on my YouTube channel.
Subscribe.
Bendy the Animator.
I'm not gonna do it because I don't know what your name is.
Hold on, I can't hear Charlie. Charlie, you said you're done?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Charlie's looking so bad.
Now it sounds like chaos.
Yeah. He's like, go back.
I don't want to know it. Actually, you can just put it in the chat. I'll probably do it. Or send it to me privately or something. Let's still subscribe, okay? I'm a nice person.
No!
Subscribe to Bendy the Animator.
I have a YouTube channel that has like over 100 subscribers.
And also subscribe to FGTEV.
FGTV.
Okay.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Or I'm gonna.
Yay.
I'm done.
Okay, perfect. So once again, before we move on to our video, show me an acute angle with your hands or your arm. What does it look like? Tiny, it's cute. It's like a baby. What about an obtuse angle?
Not too single.
Opens wider than 90 degrees, right? Anything greater than 90 degrees. Show me a right angle.
Right angle.
Exactly 90 degrees.
So what is something that you can use if you're wanting to find a right angle? What's something you have on hand that you can use to measure for a right angle? What is something? What's a ruler? I guess you could kind of use a ruler. What else could you use?
A pencil.
Could we use a sticky note? What do we know about the corner? What do we know about the corner of a sticky note? What do we know?
It's a right angle.
The right angle. If I measure this one, hopefully.
My computer is glitching.
I know it's glitching really bad. Show me a straight angle. With your hands, show me a straight angle.
Straight angle this.
Good job, Beta. Straight across. All right, let's move on to our video. Oh, wait, maybe we got some vocabulary we need to go over first. Let me see. No, so we go over angle measurement. Oh, okay. Emma, let's go through these real fast.
Okay.
Emma,
Objective. I can explain the frictional parts of a circle and describe the relationship between the fractional parts of a circle and degrees. I can explain how to measure, draw, join, and separate angles.
ooh. I don't know how many of y'all have ever seen this round thing right here, this half circle. Do y'all know what that is?
I have seen it.
Know what it's called?
I don't know.
Anybody know?
Semicircle.
Angle measure.
Nope. It's called a protractor. It's this thing right here.
That which you use to measure circles or something like that?
Measure angles with this. And
Angles.
what do you notice about this protractor there? What do you see? What does it have?
It
Round and has a bunch of numbers.
Has a
and
bunch of
degrees. It has degrees.
They're degrees. I'm going to show you my protractor in a second. We'll measure some angles after that video.
I can see it shows the 90, the 100.
So 90 straight down, and then that way makes 90. But you notice, you notice it has inside numbers and outside angle, or outside numbers.
It's like a ruler, but it's different.
It's like a ruler for measuring angles, I guess.
Yeah.
You're gonna need to know the vertex right here is the corner where two rays meet up is the corner. You got a ray which extends forever in one direction, and then the other ray. That's what makes an angle. Two rays joining and making a vertex makes an angle. By just looking at this picture right here, this ray, vertex, and other ray, what kind of angle is that?
That is a little acute.
Acute, right? Good job. Let's see what we got next. Our types of angle.
Ray 1 looks longer than Ray 2.
It does look longer. I'm pretty sure it is, right? Yeah. All right. Let me see. Let's go over vocabulary. Degrees. The unit we use to measure angles.
We already have the paper.
Y'all may have the paper. No, y'all don't have this paper. Unit angle. An angle that measures 1 degree or 1 unit. 360 degrees of a circle. Protractor is a mathematical tool that measures degrees. I cannot hear it. Charlie, if that's you, I don't know what you're asking. You can also use the protractor to draw and a ruler to draw angles. Oh, okay.
I have it right here.
Okay. Let's see this. Hold on. Let me pull up this presentation before we get to our video. Okay. We're going to take turns reading types of lines because we're going to have to know. Point. Who wants to read the point on here? Who wants to read the point on here? Come on.
Angles are formed wherever two rays share.
Over here, Daniel. No, off the blue one. We've already kind of gone over that. Let's do the blue one over here. Types of lines. Point.
Point. A point is a point in geometry is a location. It has no size, no width, no length, and no depth.
Oh, it's just like a dot, literally. Who wants to read a line for me?
It's not fair.
What? Natalie, that sounds like you, so go ahead and read line. You're already,
Okay.
you're already unmuted.
A line is defined as a line of points that extends infinitely into two
It
directions.
goes on forever.
The only reason why I said it's not fair is because they got cookies.
Who?
My brothers.
Emma, read a line segment for me.
Line segment. A line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints.
It's got two endpoints. They stop eventually. Array. Who wants to read array? Vida, read array.
Okay.
Erase a line with the single endpoint that extends infinitely in one direction.
These are kind of hard to see. An angle. An angle is the figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint. So that's the angle inside of here, called the vertex of the angle. Perpendicular lines. Anello, read that one for me. Perpendicular lines.
Perpendicular.
Yes.
A line meeting another at a right angle or 90 degrees is said to be perpendicular to it.
So they cross and make 90-degree angles. Parallel. Who wants to read the last one? Parallel. Come on, I need one more volunteer to read parallel.
Parallel lines or lines in a plane which do not meet.
So show me perpendicular lines real fast with your arms. Show me perpendicular lines with your arms. They make a what? Perpendicular lines. What do they make? What's specific about their corners?
Perpendicular line.
Yep,
They are right angles.
they have right angles on the inside of them. Yes. Show me parallel.
And they meet each other.
Show me parallel.
Parallel.
They never cross or touch, right? Good job. All right, let's move on. What's our next one? Is it the video? Ooh, study jams. Is it gonna make me exit out of here? Probably. This seems weird. I didn't go potty, did I? I said I was gonna go potty. Which makes sense. Test yourself. Ooh, let's take a test. Let's test ourselves. Let's see what we know. Oh, bam! Let's see. If we can get all 7 of these right, I will start recess 7 minutes earlier. But we have to get all 7 of these right. So if I have your journal, I'd have it down.
Okay, so this one.
Start recess almost in like 5 minutes. So, or I just
Okay, what is the definition?
Is the definition of an
hold on. Shh. Let me read it. What is the definition of an acute angle? I don't just want Emma, Natalie, Anello, Daniel answering. I want everybody.
it's C.
An angle that is exactly 90 degrees, an angle that is greater than 90 degrees, or an angle that is less than 90 degrees, or an
Less.
C. So it's C.
C.
C. Do we all agree? I should see head shake.
Yes.
Less than 90 degrees is what?
Yes, it's less than 90 degrees. I mean, it's
Yes,
yes,
it's
yes.
90 degrees.
Okay. Y'all really want that extra recess? That will.
No, isn't it greater? Oh, wait, no, it is.
No, that is not greater. That is
Okay, y'all
an
better
obtuse angle.
Look at the letter V. What kind of angle does the letter V? Let me look. Let me annotate it sideways. Hold on.
Up to
So the letter V. What type of angle does the letter V make?
acute.
Acute, obtuse?
Cute.
I think it's an acute.
Acute.
It is an acute. It's an acute.
Acute.
You had your notes here behind.
Acute.
I hear acute.
So cute.
I hear acute. Let's see.
Yes, acute.
Yes, acute. Acute.
Oh, okay, here. This one. Think about a ruler.
There's a ruler for it. It's the right.
Think about a
Straight.
ruler. What angle does this ruler make going across this screen?
Straight. Straight.
Great.
All right.
Yeah. Straight.
All right. DHT right.
Why did you say right? Why did you have
Right.
it on right? It's not right. Straight. Take away right.
Great.
Which angle is obtuse? A, B, C, D.
C. C.
C.
C.
Why are y'all saying D? C?
I hear D.
D.
No, not D.
No, C. It's C. Not D.
No, don't pick D. Don't pick D.
Yeah, we're not saying D. She's putting D though.
Definitely not D.
Oh, I heard somebody say D. What type of angle is D?
Don't pick D.
Good job, Elizabeth.
No, don't pick.
What type of angle is D? Tell me. Y'all,
That's acute. Don't
D is an acute.
what is B?
No.
B, those are cute.
What's
And
B?
A,
No,
And acute.
What's
that
A?
is right.
Okay, I'm just
Right.
checking with y'all. There's some.
See?
What is the measure of a straight angle? How many degrees? 180, 90?
180. I said
180.
earlier.
180, 180, 180, 180.
It's the very first one. A. It's A. Yeah, it's A.
A.
I'm sure it's A.
A?
Yeah, because those are greater than and less than signs. And that means it's greater than or less than.
Looking in the chat.
It's A.
180.
Okay, I'm just checking. I'm making sure. Now y'all heard extra recess and y'all want to participate. Which
Uh-huh.
one is the right angle? Okay, so here, let me draw them out. This is what it's asking you. Which one of these?
The right angle. L, 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 L,
L.
L.
Y, E, or O? Which letter contains a right angle?
E. It's answer D.
I'm not even answering.
What do you mean we're not answering? He's not putting it in.
D?
Yeah, D.
Yes.
Go.
How do you classify an angle that measures 97 degrees?
Obtuse,
That
right?
measures 97 degrees.
I think
Let's get rid of some. What can we get rid of?
I don't think it's an obtuse because that's greater than 97.
Right.
Yeah, obtuse.
Because of acute and right. Acute and right.
Obtuse.
Get
Obtuse, please.
rid of D.
Yeah, we can get rid of
Why
D
would
because
you
it's not-
eliminate acute?
Because it's less than 90.
Oh, wait, clear.
It's more than 90. And also, Natalie, you even said in the first question that acute wasn't the answer. Acute was that less than 90 wasn't the answer. So then you would have been talking about the obtuse.
Sorry, I'm getting confused because my brothers are making loud noises.
Obtuse.
So you got 90. I told y'all to get rid of. We got rid of 2 already, didn't we? What were we getting rid of? Right
Acute and right.
and right.
I think we should eliminate obtuse because that's greater than 97.
Wait a minute. Natalie, I'm gonna have to stop you right there.
Is it D?
I'm gonna have to stop Natalie right there.
What?
Straight 180.
Obtuse is anything.
Where are your
Listen.
notes? We just took notes over this.
Obtuse is anything greater than 90 degrees. Not 90.
Yes, I do agree with Emma.
Yes, anything greater.
Yes, anything greater.
And
It
straight
doesn't-
is
I want
exactly
to take notes. Y'all-
Wait, no, that means that A would have been less than. Because we put for A, we put greater than, and that means it's obtuse.
That's what.
And
equals
No, go back to the first question, please. We're gonna get it wrong.
Go back to 6.
Go back to the first question.
Go back to 6.
I'm not going back.
That's why these chats being filled.
Oh no, we're done.
We're
I don't see anybody with their notes out. So I'm like, I must kind of already explain something. I put something on the board. If an angle is less than 90 degrees, what is it?
an angle less than 90 degrees.
That's an.
No.
What type of angle would we classify it as? Acute, obtuse,
Let's
straight?
see.
And less than 90 degrees is acute.
It's acute. If an angle measures between 91 and 79, it falls in between those two numbers on a number line. What is it?
Oh.
Y'all are telling me that a 97 degree angle
No, it's not a straight angle.
is
'cause
a straight angle. We had gotten rid of acute already. We had gotten rid of right, and y'all wanted to get rid of obtuse. So y'all are telling me 97 is
No, we should agree. We should eliminate straight angle because it's like more than 97.
But look at what I'm trying to get y'all to realize. This is a straight angle right here. 97 degrees is not the same as 180 degrees, is it?
No,
No. So then how can it be 90 degrees or 180 degrees?
that's what I'm trying to say.
I am a
No,
unit.
I knew that was obtuse all along.
Emma knows what it is. I know she knows what it is. But the rest of y'all want to fight and argue and say
Can I
no.
do it? Can I do
Wait,
it?
I was not arguing.
97
just
degrees
Looking at
not the
stuff.
same as 180 degrees. This is 180. They're not the same. A 97 degree angle, if I were to make it with my ruler, somewhere's like right here. I'll show you in a second. Actually, look, let me show y'all right now. I have
You
a,
don't have to show us.
I am going to show y'all because this is what we're
Why do
talking
people
about.
have to ruin it? Because I already know it. I figured it out. Just that-
Here, look, here's my notes.
Y'all see
Here's
my
my last
protractor?
notes with Miss Walling.
Can y'all see my protractor?
Yes.
Let me show you. This is what
That's an acute angle.
now you want to tell me. Okay. Let me undo my email here.
Hmm.
I'm still here, so don't think I left you.
Well, now we know it's not lying.
So here is 180 degrees. That was your option, was right here, 180 degrees. Can y'all see that, right? Y'all see the two?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
you can see it.
line always has to be at 180.
Let's see. We said 97.
We said
About like
97.
It would be obtuse because it wouldn't be perfectly
It would be obtuse.
a right angle. Yeah, it would be obtuse.
Right here, with the keypad, I made 97. Here is, my pins are gonna work because
This is wasting recess time.
we're debating, we're going over this, Daniel, because this is important for your test. Here is 90 degrees. What type of angle is that blue angle? Is it obtuse or is it acute?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
What is it?
It's greater than 90
It's obtuse.
It's greater than 90 degrees.
It's greater than 90 degrees. So
What?
We lost our
that was fine. I can still add more time to into your reset. So let's see if we got them all right. Oh, y'all wouldn't have got it right if I just didn't spend 10 minutes on that one problem.
It was obtuse, right?
It was obtuse. It cannot be 180 degrees. This is only 180 degrees. And it's always 180.
Because acute is less than 90 degrees, and it can't be right because that is exactly
90 degrees. Yes.
straight.
So long.
Exactly 180 degrees, so it's obtuse.
If
It
you-
took so
if I
long
make
because
y'all write-
people were arguing.
if I make y'all write something tomorrow, it's going to be numbers. Acute is between 0 and 89. Right is exactly 90. It cannot be 91. It cannot be 89. It's exactly 90. Obtuse is 91 to 179, and then 180 is straight. Don't get upset. You are getting all salty and upset.
And obtuse is anything bigger than.
Obviously.
I can find it on YouTube.
Yeah, let's go to YouTube and watch this video. That was a good debate. We'll come back and do some of this after.
After this video, can we go to recess?
Yes. You act like I won't give y'all recess. I'm gonna give y'all recess, trust me. That was a good debate we had there. Here. But not that
Or
long.
do we have questions?
That face,
Glad
that
we
is
had that
usually
debate.
covered by her phone, has finally made an appearance. That face wouldn't be doing that if you weren't staying at a Virgo lecture.
Verbo. Oh, I love this song. What type of angle is cut out of that pizza?
Acute.
That's acute because I can see it's a little bit less than 90 degrees.
Exactly.
Between 0 and 90, an angle is acute.
Between 0 and 89, the angle is acute.
This angle's small and skinny and kind of cute. It looks like a V or the top of a Y, or the angles that you see eating pizza or pie.
Angles are measured in degrees, and here's how to remember them. With
we call it right?
It has to be exactly 90, right, Emma?
Exactly 90.
Exactly.
Exactly 90. If it's
Nothing above,
It
nothing
can be
less.
91. It can be
above
91.
Not negative 90.
it's acute or obtuse.
90.
Actually, negative 90 could be. It just would be the opposite way.
Hey, it's Wally.
What?
What chapter are we doing for social studies?
Why are you in room 7?
Sure.
Lucky day. We'll come back to this in a second. I have to go prepare something for another teacher real fast. So we're going to start recess. Okay?
Yay! Can we share screen?
Yeah, you have at least till 2:05. I have to go prepare this for another teacher. Blurry like
I
my.
can't see.
Obtuse.
I can't see.
Come on! Alright.
Obtuse.
Number 4. What type of angle is number 4?
Obtuse.
Obtuse.
I agree with everyone right now.
5 is a right.
Is it a right angle?
Yeah.
It looks like a right angle, doesn't it?
I think it is.
Hold on, I think it's a right angle, isn't it? Doesn't it line up perfectly?
Yeah, I like the perfect.
It does.
I know it's kind of hard because y'all don't have.
It looks a little bit like a cute.
Remember, if you have a sticky note or a piece of paper, this corner is always 90 degrees unless you bite it because you get hungry, which I hope none of you are.
I'm hungry.
But this paper is very helpful in measuring like angles like on this worksheet. All right, let's do number 6, 7, 8.
Yay!
Answer them.
Number 70.
6 and obtuse.
No, not yet. I want to give everybody some time first.
Oh, okay.
These are easy. Okay, I'm done.
I'm done.
Tomorrow we'll hit hard the protractor tomorrow. I was planning on it today, but since we had a longer recess and I had to go put that stuff on the desk for another teacher.
We have a longer recess, or did we? I don't know.
Yes, I did. Y'all had a way longer recess.
We only had a 10-minute.
Ooh, not 10 minutes. I let y'all go at like 1:50. And I came back at like 2:10. That's like 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I'm gonna let y'all out as I said already. Somebody besides somebody that's been answering, that doesn't really make sense. Tell me what number 6 is. What type of angle is number 6?
It's obtuse. Number 7, obtuse.
Obtuse. Number 6? Obtuse.
Yes, and number 7 is acute. And number 8 is. You're welcome.
I was like, right. Man, I'm out of breath. I ran to the door. Woo! Thought I was in trouble. Anyways, what is number 6?
6 is obtuse.
Obtuse. Got it.
And then 7 is acute.
Hold on, Daniel. Let somebody else answer. Somebody from Miss Gonzalez's class tell me what number 8 is. What type of angle? Acute, obtuse, straight, or right?
Acute.
Bingo! Whoever that was, good job. Acute. Acute, baby. These are our 2 exit tickets.
So we do 6, 7, 8?
We just
Move it up. I
Oh, we
can't.
just did.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it up.
9, 10, 11.
Yeah, we'll stop at 11. Let me see on the exit ticket.
9.
Okay, so do we put them in the chat?
Oh, these are easy.
Hold on.
Put them in the chat.
Hey.
Acute, right, or obtuse? Hold on. We give them some time to work.
Okay, I'm done.
Hold on.
I'm done.
I'm trying to put the answers
What?
in the chat.
It's so easy. So obvious.
They have the same thing. Because they shoot. Told them to stop coming to the room, but they're still coming in.
Good job, Vanilla. Daniel, I'm guessing you're telling me.
Ow. No.
Oh.
Oh, wait, no. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry. Isn't that somewhere? It's like a song or something?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I think because Natalie just always is hungry.
Yeah.
Natalie's always just hungry that you got so used to that. It sounds like a song.
I haven't done 8. Actually, it's a song about that.
Is it actually a song? I don't know.
Actually, I am hungry. Stop singing about me.
I'm so
Charlie, what'd you say? Shh, I'm trying to listen to Charlie. I can barely hear him over y'all. He said he didn't finish 8. What type of angle is number? I know there's some confusion on number 9. Let me put my sticky notes.
Can you make me where I can see
Number 9 is obtuse.
Hold
Who's in the chat?
on. Shh. I'm trying to listen to Charlie. Gosh, beans and cheese. Charlie, what'd you say? Number 8? I'll move it up in a second.
I was not done with that.
I'll move it up in a second. Hold on. So, what type of angle is number 9? I know it's kind of tricky if you're just looking from the bare eye without a sticky note. But what type of angle is number 9?
Obtuse.
It's an obtuse or an obese angle. Obtuse, obese. They're both big. Obese.
At first I thought it was obtuse, but it is obtuse. In a second.
Oh, we said
Obtuse.
all right. Number 10. Oh, I could put them right here and y'all could see them. Beans and cheese. No. You're gonna be cheating, and then tomorrow you're gonna be like, oh, I don't have to do them anymore. What type of angle is number 10? Yeah, I've already kind of answered it. Come on.
Just look in the chat, Mr. Hernandez. I already put it in there.
Okay, what is it, Daniel? Since you already put it in there.
It's acute.
Somebody from Miss Gonzalez's class, tell me what number 11 is. I want Miss Gonzalez's class to answer.
Cute.
Acute. Good job. It's a cute baby. We'll finish the rest tomorrow. And we'll go over this nifty little page right here with the protractor tomorrow. Oh, I look tanned. Look at my veins. Y'all see that? Oh, anyways, let's move on to science. Science, you will need your journal for science.
So we need our science journal? We never use that.
Well, we're gonna write down.
We never.
We're gonna write down vocabulary.
Never even had a science journal. Well, I do, but
Whatever it is,
not just in Miss Wallings.
vocabulary in.
If you want me to lie to you, I don't have a journal.
What have y'all? We've written vocabulary before, haven't we, for science? I'm pretty sure we have, unless y'all have not written that in your
I
science.
have a lot of space in my science journal because I never use it. Want me to
Write
lie?
vocabulary down. Get a piece of paper then. You don't have. Guys, you will have a vocabulary quiz
Is
over.
this thing called science?
Yes. You have a science journal?
No, I have a book that says,
Get a piece of paper. Get a piece of paper. We are writing down these definitions because you have a vocabulary quiz, my class, y'all do, in Canvas, like we did last week. So, and I'm not putting these vocabulary words up again next time. If you don't write them down, sorry. Let's start with, we're talking about As y'all find your journal, let me play a video real fast. Journal or piece of paper. We're going over mixtures this week in science. Let me see if there's a video today. Let me introduce it at least. We won't get anything. We won't really get. Oh, there's you know what? Because I just love the Magic School Bus. We'll do that instead.
Yay!
Hold on. I don't think we'll get very. We'll finish it tomorrow.
Okay.
Finish it tomorrow.
Yeah, how about we do the Magic School Bus?
Magic School Bus episodes are like 22 minutes long.
I like the Magic School Bus.
No.
School Bus.
Well, I like
Maybe we'll
playing
watch.
video games more than watching stuff.
You're not watching SpongeBob
No, Aiden, we're not watching SpongeBob.
Solutions for Kids. I lied. We're not watching the Magic School Bus. We're gonna
I do like playing though.
No,
Actually better
Magic School
than
Bus.
watching.
Magic School Bus.
Yeah, it's actually better.
Is this a Magic School Bus?
Have you been to it until you put on Magic School Bus?
On the Magic School Bus.
I don't really watch TV that often, but I do watch YouTube.
Me too.
Watch TV.
They want to watch the Magic School Bus.
We'll do that again.
Wow. I just can't.
SpongeBob.
Why would it?
No, I don't want to watch Magic School Bus.
I do. I love it. It's a good educational show.
Why I play more than watch is because I need to make love than Mario Maker 2.
Pay attention to what mixtures and solutions are. We are gonna eventually write our vocabulary down. Maybe Wednesday, I guess. And we'll have a quiz like we did last week. Pay attention.
What? SpongeBob.
Somebody's
Yes, SpongeBob.
Hey, birthday girl.
Sam, what's up? I'm just setting out some munchies for the party.
Sweet. I brought the cake Mia and I made.
Oh, this is awesome. You guys rock.
What you got here?
Just a few mixtures of some tasty treats. Have some.
Mixtures, my favorite.
How can mixtures be your favorite? That doesn't make any sense.
I don't know. I like mixing things. It doesn't always have to make sense. I'm an artist.
Sam, do you even know what it means to be a mixture?
Not really. But I'd be happy to have you enlighten me while I snack on these.
I'm sure. Mixtures are physical combinations of two or more substances that retain their properties when you mix them together. Unlike a compound, which is chemically combined, a mixture is a physical combination. That means it can be easily separated.
So like if you mix your corn and green beans on your plate, that would be a mixture because you can easily separate them again.
So you mean like if I mix
your Skittles and M&Ms, you can pull them apart.
Oh, so we're talking about the things like
you can
we're
mix
talking about the things about chemical reactions and the whatever chemical reactions and what? What is the other one called?
Nope. We're talking about mixtures. The other ones, it was talking about what was it? Chemical
Something, and then things that you can just take out and redo it.
We're not talking about that part of it. We're talking about mixtures.
It's like mixed nuts because they're.
Yes, like a trail mix. If you ever eat a trail mix, those are mixtures because you can easily separate them.
Yeah, some trail mixes have like different types of those snacks, like pretzels, Cheez-Its, peanuts.
Like Cheetos, Doritos, and Fritos.
Yeah, like let's say if you have Cheetos, Doritos, and Fritos.
Excuse me, can I go to the restroom?
That's what we were doing. Let's play this video again.
Yeah, I can see the different parts mixed together here. It does look easy to separate.
Well, there are two different types of mixtures. Ones you can see the different parts of, and ones you can't. This is an example of a heterogeneous mixture because you can see the substances that have been mixed together.
Peanuts, pretzels, and chocolate chips.
We can easily pick apart the substances and make separate piles.
So heterogeneous mixtures you can see the parts of. I see.
Now, just so you know, a mixture doesn't have to be just a solid. It can be a liquid or a gas too. This lemonade is a mixture known as a solution.
So that would be, I guess, if you made your own lemonade with the powder lemonade and water, or if you make lemon juice and sugar and water, that's going to be a solution to make
Solution's
lemonade.
parts are blended evenly.
Is that the kind of mixture where you can't see the parts?
Yeah, a solution like lemonade is homogeneous. You can't see the sugar, lemon juice, and water that have been mixed together to make it.
Are solutions always liquids?
Nope, a solution can be a solid, liquid, or gas. It just has to have a solute and a solvent. The solute is the substance that is dissolved in the solvent. In the lemonade, sugar is the solute because it is dissolved in the solvent, water.
Well, I'm glad this solution is a liquid. It sure is the solution to my thirst.
Okay. Well, come on, make the birthday girl proud. Show me what you got.
A mixture, like this snack mix, is a physical combination of two or more substances. The substances in a mixture don't change when they're mixed, and they can be separated. We can see the different parts of the snack mix, so it's a heterogeneous mixture. A mixture isn't always a solid. It can be a gas or a liquid, like the lemonade. The lemonade is a solution, and solutions are homogeneous. You can't see their parts. Ta-da! How was that, birthday girl?
Happy birthday to me.
That's right. Now, let's get this party started.
So one comes to mind when I'm thinking of mixtures and solutions. I think of a cake. When you're making a cake, you got to mix things.
But you can't unmix it, so it'd be a chemical one. I know we're not talking about that though.
I think it'd be a solution, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be an example of a solution? Ha 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 ha. Let's see. Ooh, science STEM scopes. I don't want that. Is there an assignment? There's an assignment. Wasn't there one on here? We could take the quiz. We'll take the quiz, and if we get them all right, yeah, I'll let y'all in early. Oh, come on. Let's see if we can get them all right. I'm not sure we'll get all of science right. All right, which of the following is a characteristic of mixtures? Mixtures can only be in solid and liquid form. Substances that are mixed together retain their properties. You can always see the different parts of a mixture, or you can only see the different parts of a mixture when it is in liquid form.
B, I think. I think it's B. It's B, I think.
Yeah, I don't think it's A because yeah.
And they said it could be a solid, liquid, or gas. One of them.
Let's see. Which type of mixture is a chemical? Electrical, chemical, or sorry, which type of combination is a mixture? Chemical, electrical, physical, or thermal? Oh, this is the example of the trail mix. What was it calling it? What type of mixture? Ooh. I'll give you a hint.
I don't remember any of those. I think physical.
I'll give you a hint. It wasn't electrical and it wasn't chemical.
Physical.
So it's physical or thermal?
Thermal's like giving off heat, like a thermal blanket.
I think physical. It's physical.
Physical. Pick physical.
Cool. Let's see.
What is a physical reaction?
A heterogeneous mixture and a homogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture can be a solid, and a homogeneous mixture can be a liquid. You can't see the parts in a hetero mixture, but you can in the homogeneous mixture. You can see the parts in a heterogeneous mixture, but you can't see them in a homogeneous mixture.
Yep.
A heterogeneous physical combination, while a homogeneous is a chemical. I will tell you, you could see the properties or the mixture, see parts of the mixture in one of these.
C.
See? Let's see if we're right. Come on, y'all need to answer. Oh,
What is a solute?
This was hard. A homogeneous mixture, a mixture that can only be in gas form.
I think it's D. It's D. D. Something that can dissolve in a solvent.
Is this the exit ticket?
Pretty much. What is the role of a solvent? It dissolves the solute in a mixture. It gets dissolved in a mixture. It helps mix solids together. It keeps the parts of the mixture moving.
It's A.
What?
A. I know it because I'm a reindeer.
Yes.
The reindeer. What is a
Okay, I'll trust the
parts are
reindeer.
evenly blended? Ooh, a solution. I saw a solute, a solution, a solvent, or a homogeneous mixture.
Wait, a what? Get your mouse thing off it.
A liquid mix.
Heterogeneous. Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
What is that? Is that an A or O or E?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous. Oh, that's genius.
What is the liquid mixture?
It's D, I think. Yeah, it's D, I think.
D.
Oh, let's see.
I'm a lucky reindeer, if so.
What
Fair
type of
enough.
fruit salad? Oh, come on, guys.
Come on.
No, it's not a solution. It doesn't dissolve.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not a chemical mixture.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a chemical mixture.
It's similar to a trail mix that you saw there. What was that trail mix called?
I forgot which one was which. I think homogeneous was the last one.
Yep.
I think homogeneous one was the last one, right? Okay, so then it would be the A, heterogeneous. Heterogeneous.
He's right. Oh, we missed. we missed.
I know what we missed. We missed 6. We missed 6.
Okay, we got that one right. Does it tell you that?
6. I know.
All right, we got, let's see.
We missed 6.
What's this one now?
You can see the parts in a heterogeneous mixture, but you can't any homo. Okay, we got that one right.
4, we got it.
We got that one right.
5. Yep, it's 6. I knew it.
Oh!
I knew it wasn't. It wasn't.
They're blended.
I
Eliminate.
can get that
Eliminate.
right.
That's okay.
Even I can get that right.
I want to leave early.
What?
I could have gotten number 6 right.
Elements and what?
Stop lying, Daniel.
Hey, be nice. See all topics. What are we doing? Does not matter. Force in motion. Does not matter. Oh, solids look at properties of matter mixtures. I wonder if this video is on there like later on. I bet you it is, and we're gonna get a head start. This will be our last video, and I'll let y'all go. Got it?
I hope Zoe likes her birthday
Oh yeah, this
cake.
is totally.
At least if it's a disaster, you can use those artistic skills of yours to frost some birthday charm into the cake.
Oh, come on. It won't be a disaster.
How hard can it be, right? You'll just follow the recipe.
It's pretty sweet how just mixing a bunch of different ingredients together like this can make a totally new thing, huh?
It's totally sweet. Mixing up ingredients for a cake is a lot like what the universe does when it combines elements to make compounds.
We're making a cake, Mia. Don't get all sciencey on me.
It's true. When 2 or more elements are combined and a chemical reaction occurs,
There you go,
a
Anella.
brand new substance is created. That brand new substance is called a compound. It's sort of like this cake.
Mia, this cake is a yummy and delicious treat made of eggs, milk, flour, sugar.
Yeah, and the ingredients we combine to make a cake are like the elements that make up a compound. Elements are substances that cannot be broken down into something simpler. When we combine the ingredients and bake the cake in the oven, a chemical reaction occurs to make a compound, a cake.
So elements are the ingredients for the universe?
Kinda, yeah. The universe combines elements to make compounds. There are 118 elements, and they're each listed on the periodic table. Every element has a symbol too, like O for oxygen or H for hydrogen.
That's a lot of ingredients.
I know. When we combine ingredients to make a cake, it's called a recipe. When elements combine to make a compound, it's called a chemical formula.
That sounds a lot more serious.
Not always. A chemical formula just shows the composition of the compound. Ever hear of H2O?
Yeah, it's water, right?
Yep. H2O is the chemical formula for water. Water is a compound. Its ingredients, the elements from the periodic table that make it up, are hydrogen and oxygen. H is the symbol for hydrogen. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen in water, so the chemical formula shows a 2 after the H symbol. That number is called a subscript. There is 1 atom of oxygen, so its O symbol is enough to tell us that. Put it all together, and H2O equals water.
Are there chemical formulas for everything?
Every compound, yes. Salt is a compound too. It's called sodium chloride because it's made from the elements sodium and chlorine. So its chemical formula shows the symbols for those 2 elements together, NaCl.
Chemical formulas really are like recipes. You were right. The cake is like a compound. Little Miss Scientist strikes again.
See? Now it's your turn to explain, Sam.
All right, let's see if I've got the art of elements and compounds down to a science. An element is as simple as it gets. Elements are substances that can't be broken down into anything simpler. There are 118 elements, and they're all listed on the periodic table. Elements are combined to form compounds, totally different new substances. The recipe for a compound is called a chemical formula. Chemical formulas show the symbols for the elements that make up a compound, and subscripts that tell us how many atoms of each element are needed to make the compound. There, easy as pie.
Don't you mean piece of cake?
His voice changed. That's weird. In just one day, because I think they're cooking the birthday cake, but in just one day, his voice changes, which is pretty weird.
I don't see a difference.
All right.
But his voice is different.
Okay. My class, or I guess everybody. It was a
We get to stay on here?
Yes, I will leave it on here if y'all want to stay on here, but I'm not gonna keep it on forever, like y'all know. Hold on. Let me pause.